Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to make your Wix website more helpful and interactive, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of adding an FAQ section to your Wix site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a sleek, user-friendly FAQ that answers your visitors' most common questions, making your site look more polished and saving you tons of time on customer support. Let's jump straight in. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix App Market. This is the place where you can add all kinds of features and tools to boost your website. Don't worry if you haven't explored the app market much before, it's just like browsing an app store on your phone. Once you're there, go up to the search bar and type in FAQ. A bunch of options will pop up, but today let's focus on the Wix FAQ app because it's super user-friendly and integrates smoothly with your site's design. Click on Wix FAQ and then hit Add to Site. It might take a few seconds for Wix to install the app, so hang tight. When it's done, you'll see a pre-made FAQ section appear right on your web page. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect yet, we'll be customizing everything in just a moment. To start editing your FAQ, go ahead and double-click the FAQ section that just appeared. This opens up the settings for you to personalize your questions and answers. Now, say you want to add a whole new FAQ parent section, basically a main category. Just look for the Add New button and give that a click. If you've got a bunch of common questions but want to save time typing everything out, Wix actually has an AI tool built in. You'll see a prompt to create questions and answers with AI, and this is a huge time saver. Just tell the AI the question you want it to generate an answer for, or type in your own if you've already got it ready. For example, you might type, "How do I change my order?" and then let Wix's AI suggest a clear, straightforward answer. Once your question and answer look good, simply click Use Text to add it to your FAQ. Double-check that everything sounds just right. If you make a mistake or decide you don't need a particular question, no stress, just click the three dots next to the unwanted question and select Delete. Wix makes it super easy to keep everything tidy and relevant. When you're happy with your new FAQs, don't forget to click Save. That ensures all your hard work won't disappear if you close the editor. Once you're finished making changes, you can exit the FAQ editor and take a look at your preview. This step is important because it lets you experience the FAQ section exactly as your visitors will see it. Click Preview, scroll down to your FAQ, and give it a try, expand and collapse a question or two, and make sure everything looks good and works smoothly. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've added a professional FAQ to your Wix site. Not only does this help answer your visitors' burning questions, it also makes your website look more trustworthy and organized. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share how you're using FAQs on your site, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Wix tutorials and web tips. See you next time.